guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kwetemerveille here. So ever since I found out that I am gluten intolerant, I've learned how to make my own bread, and honestly this is a very nutritious and healthy alternative if you have gluten intolerance, are allergic to wheat, or suffer from celiac disease, or you just want a healthy switch. And it tastes good too. I'm excited to be sharing this recipe with you all. When I purchased my buckwheat, they were able to grind it for me into powder form or flour form. I used 2 cups of buckwheat and double the amount of water. I used a big bowl so that it allows enough room for the buckwheat to ferment. Fermenting buckwheat is important because it increases the bioavailability of vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients, making it easy to digest. Buckwheat is an excellent source of protein, fiber, B vitamins, niacin, magnesium, manganese, and phosphorus. Just for the sake of gut health, I added about 2 tablespoons of flaxseed powder and half a teaspoon of psyllium husk. These 2 ingredients promote gut health and it protects the lining of the digestive tract. I'm still experimenting with psyllium husk, and as for flaxseed, I love it. It's a natural remedy for constipation as it contains both soluble and insoluble fiber. I mix all of these ingredients together and use a cloth to cover it up, just to give it enough room to activate. I left it at room temperature for about 12 hours in order for it to ferment. Hey you guys, so I let my dough sit overnight for a couple of hours. And this is how it looks like. The next morning, you can see that the batter has risen and small bubbles have formed. Now there's additional vitamins and minerals that were not originally present in the flour alone. If you don't see the tiny little bubbles in your batter, let it ferment a bit longer, but 7 or more hours of fermentation should be enough. You can customize your bread by adding any seeds or tomatoes, raisins, or whatever you want. I added some crushed sunflower seeds and again some roasted buckwheat seeds. I then transferred it to my baking tray. You'll then want to preheat the oven to about 180 degrees for about 10 minutes or so, and then bake it for an hour or more depending on your oven. I use a very tiny small oven, and as a result I had to turn up the heat to 200 degrees and I baked it for an hour and 30 minutes. I was so shocked at how good this bread turned out. I was scared at first because I thought it would turn out to be hard, as this was my first attempt to baking the bread, but it rather turned out so soft on the inside, and also it tasted so delicious. I had it every day for breakfast for about 10 days. Okay, so this is the part where I turn on to all doctor mode, and you guys might find this part boring, so you might want to pause the video here or stop here. But what I'm about to say is very important, so I need you guys to hear me out. Probiotic is very essential for your gut bacteria. Fermented buckwheat is a great source of probiotic. Eating probiotics, it can be in supplement form or in fermented foods, every day is a great way to help and maintain your hormonal balance, especially for those who are estrogen dominant. Probiotic nourishes our gut and provides healthy, good bacteria to aid our digestive system. Estrogen levels are directly related to bowel transit time, if you didn't know this. So a normal transit time allows excess estrogen to pass with the stool. However, those with a longer transit time, people suffering from constipation like me, will absorb the estrogen and it will be placed back into the circulation within the body, and in turn, it's intensified the workload of your liver. And what you don't want to do is overwork your liver. And especially for someone like me who already does not have a gallbladder, I really take care of my liver, or I'm trying to. So for a lot of females out there who are suffering from hormonal imbalances, you might want to consider adding probiotics to your diet. It doesn't have to be through buckwheat bread, but you can take supplements or certain foods that are rich in probiotics. So that is it regarding this video. If you guys want to see more health related video or baking videos, cooking videos, or whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you found this video really, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share with your friends. I love you all. See you guys next time. Bye.